Okay, student, in this video we will discuss about the next ratio, that is trade receivable turnover ratio. Trade receivable turnover ratio we can find out with the help of the formula credit revenue from operation. Credit revenue from operation means net credit sale divided by average trade receivable. Average trade receivable include debtors and bills receivable both. How you can find out the average trade receivable? If opening balance of debtors and closing balance of debtor and opening balance of BR and closing balance of BR, any bills receivable, are given to you, you can use the formula to find out average trade receivable is equal to opening debtors plus closing debtor and opening bills receivable plus closing bills receivable divided by 2, like in this way. Or you can find out average trade receivable with the help of opening trade receivable plus closing trade receivable divided by 2. Yes, the important point, it should be in your mind. Suppose you have the balance of debtor and BR. Any one balance are given to you for opening debtors and BR, but opening balance of debtor, any second balance are not given to you. In that case, if only one balance given to you, in that case, instead of average, you will add debtor plus BR. Okay. Now, the second part of this ratio is the debt collection period. Along with trade receivable turnover ratio, debt collection period of which examiner can be raised. आपसे debt collection period भी find out कराया जा सकता है. So to find out debt collection period, you can use the formula month in a year or days in a year. Month in a year or days in a year divided by ट्रेड रिसीवेबल टर्नओवर रेशियो, यानी जो आपने यहां कैलकुलेट की है. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं. क्रेडिट रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन 6 लाख, ओपनिंग डेटर्स 60,000, ओपनिंग बिल्स रिसीवेबल 40,000. कैलकुलेट नंबर 1 ट्रेड रिसीवेबल टर्नओवर रेशियो एंड एवरेज ट्रेड रिसीवेबल, यानी दोनों ही कैलकुलेशन आपने करनी है. यहां की जगह हम इसको कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. कैलकुलेट डेट कलेक्शन पीरियड ऑल्सो, ये आपने कैलकुलेट करना है. इफ क्लोजिंग डेटर 40,000 एंड बिल्स रिसीवेबल 60,000. ओके, solution. First of all, he is asking calculate trade receivable turnover ratio. So आप trade receivable turnover के लिए ये फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. Credit revenue from operation, यानी trade receivable turnover ratio is equal to credit revenue from operation divided by average trade receivable. So credit revenue, that is credit sale, it is given to you 6 lakh, and now average trade receivable is equal to opening debtors, means opening debtors you have 60,000 plus opening BR 40 plus closing BR 40 plus closing we are 60,000. 1 lakh plus 1 lakh, 2 lakh, divide by 2 is equal to 1 lakh. So credit revenue, that means 6 lakh divided by 1 lakh is equal to 6 times. So first answer you have a trade receivable turnover ratio you have 6 times, and the second part of this कि वो कहता है calculate debt collection period also. Debt collection period is equal to month in a year और days in a year. आप दोनों में से कोई भी एक सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, मंथ भी और डे, यानी यू कैन टेक मंथ और डेज ऑल्सो. सो मंथ इन अ ईयर 12 डिवाइड बाय ट्रेड रिसीवेबल रेशियो, दैट इज द 6 times. Answer is 2 months. If you want to calculate with the help of days, so debt collection period is equal to 365 days in a year. You will take divide by 6. It means 60.83 or 61 days. This is your answer.